What is up? Quazi here, and in this video I want to share with you the only affirmation that you're going to need ever, and the only affirmation that I use now after learning through many years of hard experiences that affirmations don't really do much for you unless it's this one. Okay, now before I begin this video, I want to explain to you what the purpose of affirmations really is. So we use affirmations because there is a conscious belief that we hold and a subconscious belief that we hold. So there are two levels of operation of the human psyche. Our belief system is so key because it shapes our reality. Whatever we believe, we shape our reality through. So our reality is basically shaped by the lens of our belief system. And the law of attraction works on the fundamental idea that whatever you think and you feel, you bring into reality. And whatever you think and you feel subconsciously is much more powerful than whatever you think and you feel consciously. So we hold a subconscious belief system which is constantly at play. Even though we may consciously change our beliefs and our attitudes, subconsciously it takes a much deeper impact to change it. Now, since our reality is shaped by our beliefs, whatever we think and we feel is also shaped by that belief. So it's a chain. The belief leads to our thoughts and our feelings. Now, if our belief systems are so crucial and if they actually have the power to shape our reality, let's consider this situation to analyze it. Consider one day you wake up and you feel really down. You feel out of it. You feel like you woke up on the wrong side of the bed basically, and you go downstairs and you look in the corner of the street and you see a bunch of boys looking at you, laughing and sniggering, and you think to yourself, well, these boys are probably laughing at me. There's probably something on my face or somewhere that looks odd. Maybe I look like a weirdo, and then you start getting into this loop of negativity. And that negativity is shaped by the fact that you already feel bad about yourself. So this means that your belief system is shaping how you perceive your reality. See how powerful that is? You believe something and it acts as the lens through which you perceive your reality. Now consider another day where you wake up and it's sunny, it's beautiful weather, and you feel absolutely amazing for no reason. You go downstairs, see the same boys on the corner of the street laughing and sniggering, and they're looking at you. But this time, since you feel so good, you think they're laughing because they're happy, not because they're criticizing you or judging you. And that literally is the power of your belief system. And now I want to share with you the affirmation that you need to actually subconsciously affect and change that belief system. Now, this is from a book called Psycho-Cybernetics, but also I've adapted the idea from reality transurfing. So the affirmation is from reality transurfing, but the idea that you need affirmations is from Psycho-Cybernetics, so I advise you to check those both out. So the key idea with this affirmation is that we want to reframe every single negative event into positivity. So really, negativity doesn't exist. So any event that occurs is just positive, and it just helps you and fuels you for your ultimate destination and your final goal. And if you start to believe this affirmation, then you start to change your subconscious and your belief systems change, and everything that happens, life starts to happen for you and not to you. So the wait's over. Here's the affirmation. But before I share this affirmation, I want you to know that you need not repeat this affirmation religiously every single day. So it should never feel like a chore. Whenever something you do feels like a chore, then you start to raise what is known as excess potential. And if you're not familiar with excess potential, it's the idea that there are these forces of nature that act to balance out an inhomogeneity in the energy field of the universe. So what you do through raising excess desire or excess emotions, nature will act to balance it out by either giving you the thing you want or taking it away from you. And nature does that on the basis of taking the simplest path, so the path of least resistance. So now you know that if you affirm too much, you're going to raise excess potential. So you should only do affirmations when you want to, when you feel like it, when it feels good to do it, when you feel an emotional pull to doing it. So now you know when to do your affirmations. Here's the affirmation itself. I want you to write this affirmation in the comment section below. So, say it with me and write it down in the comment section below. Everything is going as it should. My life is already amazing and it gets even better every day. That is the only affirmation you're gonna need. And after I've started to mutter this affirmation to myself every single day, what's happened is that I wake up every single morning and I'm excited to live life. Because every day just keeps getting better and better, and I start to manifest things into my life almost effortlessly, and it's almost like I'm on a mission. Every single day is a mission to manifesting my final destination. And even the perceived negative events that occur, I'm excited for them because they teach me something and they are actually positive events. So as I've discussed, once you reframe your negativity into positivity, then your life literally becomes a source of joy. So I want you to practice this affirmation for the next 30 days. Whenever you feel like it, just remind yourself of it and write it down once in the comment section below. Say it with me and write it down right now. Everything is going as it should. My life is already amazing and it gets even better every day. Okay. Anyway, thank you for watching this video and I hope it helped. I'm also growing a massive Facebook group where I share all the techniques that I know and I've used and I've shared with people that have worked to manifest much better and raise your intention levels. So click on the link in the description below if you want to join. And thank you for watching. Until next time. Peace.